As marine pollution caused by plastic waste has become one of the biggest environment issues, the demand of recycling is rapidly increasing. So as the bottles for home and personal care goods. European Pet Bottle Platform, an initiative of providing packaging guidelines and evaluation for pet bottles, states that opaque bottles are not suitable for recycling. Besides this, more sustainable solutions for plastic bottles are required now. Gunze's hybrid shrink sleeve is really suitable for full shrink application with its high shrinkage. By applying sleeves to transparent or white bottles, you can design various patterns with one shape of bottles. In addition, if you add perforation on sleeves, you can easily peel, separate labels, and contribute to easy recycling. Throw your opaque bottles away, get hybrid shrink sleeve instead.